KeepKey Wallet versus Green Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two wallets based on their features, target audiences, and overall functionality to help you decide which one suits your crypto needs better. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet designed for users prioritizing offline security and simplicity. It supports over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, making it a reliable option for long-term holders. Its large display allows for easy transaction verification, which is especially helpful for beginners. The wallet integrates with Shapeshift, enabling seamless crypto exchanges within its ecosystem. However, KeepKey has limitations, such as a smaller supported coin list compared to competitors and the lack of mobile or Bluetooth compatibility, which might be a drawback for users on the go or those managing diverse portfolios. Green Wallet, on the other hand, is a software wallet specifically tailored for Bitcoin users. Developed by Blockstream, it's highly secure, offering features like two-factor authentication, multi-signature security, and the ability to create multiple wallets within the app. Green Wallet is accessible on both desktop and mobile platforms, making it a great choice for active Bitcoin traders or users seeking convenience. Additionally, its interface is intuitive, with advanced options such as Tor integration for enhanced privacy and time-locked transactions for added control. However, since Green Wallet focuses exclusively on Bitcoin, it lacks support for other cryptocurrencies, limiting its utility for users with diverse crypto holdings. In summary, KeepKey Wallet is ideal for investors who want secure offline storage for multiple cryptocurrencies and value simplicity. Meanwhile, Green Wallet shines for Bitcoin-focused users who need advanced features, privacy options, and easy access on multiple devices. If you're looking for broader asset support and a hardware solution, KeepKey is a solid choice. However, if your primary focus is Bitcoin with a need for robust security and privacy tools, Green Wallet is a better fit. Let us know in the comments which wallet aligns with your needs and why.